Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to easily create some snow using Adobe After Effects. Here we are inside of After Effects, and I'm just going to create a new layer real quick using Control-Y. And I'm going to leave the color black. And over here under Effects and Presets, we're going to just type in Snow. And we want to grab the one that's underneath Simulation and drop that right on there. And instantly we have some snow. After Effects has this really cool plugin. It works great. You can change the, if you watch this, we render it out a little bit, you'll see that the snow falls very softly. It kind of moves back and forth a little bit as though it's floating down through the air, and you can adjust the amplitude of that flow back and forth, the size of the flakes, all of that stuff, and it's a pretty great tool to have. The other thing that we can do though is if we want to create something that looks more like driving snow, like you're in the middle of a snowstorm, I'm going to grab this speed and set it up to 2, so double the speed. And then underneath the layer itself, I'm going to grab the rotation and kind of skew this off to an angle. So remember, the snow is falling straight down in regards to the bottom of the layer. But if the bottom of the layer is off at an angle, it'll fall off to the side. And so I'm going to also grab the scale just by selecting and pushing S. And we'll scale this up a little bit. And now if we render it, it looks like the snow is being driven by wind off to the side of the screen. And you can play with these settings and really push it out of proportion if you want, to almost sideways, and create a really nice blizzard look. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to create snow using After Effects. I'm Josiah Ray.